Hi, and welcome to our first day of the challenge. This is Curly, your creative problem solver. So, I'm going to share with you the behind the scene of the challenge because, as I announced, I think 2 weeks ago, is that I'm going to start creating funnels and I'm going to show you the behind the scene of the creative thinking. So, if you're ready, let's start. So, what I created today is I created the whole layout in Canva because this is how I plan my designs. So first, what I will do is just create the mockups, plan the positioning of the text, the buttons, the social proofs, and download all the images so that when it's our time to build it in Go High Level, it will be a lot easier. So um, I will have a separate video on how I created this layout from scratch. So if you're excited for that, just stay tuned for my next upload. So okay, let's start building it in Go High Level. Let's create a funnel. This is Serena Hartwell ebook funnel. Okay, so here you can also do you can add steps. Usually if you're just going to do a ebook, we can just simplify it by adding the opt-in page, and the second one is this thank you page. So the focus of today's video will be the opt-in page. Okay, so let's create the funnel. There. So now let's click on create from blank because we're going to start building it from scratch. Okay, let's start building your layout in Go High Level. So here is my reference of what I'm going to do, and here is my page builder. So let's start building. So first you will need to add a section. So here, add a full width section. And then once you've added this one, you need to add a background image. So if you're going to look at the layout, this is our background image. So go to the builder. And I already created a folder for the assets that goes into the layout. So here is our hero background. And then let's go back and add it here as a background image link. So, and make sure to, for the image option, make it full center. So, your next move will be add a row, which is a 2-column row. So if you're going to imagine it, the ebook mockup will go here and the text will go here. So I'm just going to add some elements so it's easier for us to build. So image, text, image. This is a headline, subheadline, button, and then paragraph, image. So that's the elements that will be on the left side of our column. And so on the left side will be our ebook mockup. So if I am going to go back to my page builder, that would be, okay, add image. Here you will see an additional button. So the next one will be a headline. And then after that will be a subheadline. And then after that will be a button. Okay, and then next will be paragraph. And then the last one will be image. So later on we will fix the spacing. So in this side will be the ebook, so it needs to be an image. Okay, so let's start building. So I will put here the logo. Let's go to our folder, ebook funnel, and then get your logo and paste it here. There. So for me, let's say I would like it to be maybe 150. Okay, I think 150 is okay. So let's align it to the left. Okay, so let's align everything to the left. Okay, left. The button should be left. Paragraph also left. Image left. Okay, so let's add okay, so let's add our copy here so that it's easier for us to create the spacing. So let's add this one, copy it in your builder, paste. Okay, and then here add your next. Okay, add it here. There. So all you have to do is change the color here of the text. This one should be white. There should be an origin. If you could upload a font style, you can also upload that here. But what I'm just going to use to make this tutorial faster, I'm just gonna use Playfair script for now. So let's say that's my headline, and then I'm going to add a different font style so it's close to our design. Headline font, custom font, and then go here and look for Playfair display. Playfair, where are you? Okay, here. Playfair display, there you go. And then as you can see in the layout, the word path to living is in different color. So I would like to highlight that word in my headline just because I think this is the path to living is the words that I would like to emphasize. So if there are words that you need to emphasize, all you have to do is go to highlight that and then click on bold, and then let me check the font color. This one, copy, and then go back to builder, and then for the path to living, for the bold letters, I will add a custom color. I'm just gonna paste it here, paste, and add color. So now you can see it like that. Okay, so next will be let me see the layout again. Path curly. Okay, it's 3 lines, so I'm gonna do is like this, then here, and then I will increase the size of the font desktop. Okay, there. And then let's say I will increase the padding bottom so that padding top. Okay, there. For this one, let's remove the paddings. Right, left, okay, left. Okay, and then unlock your potential. This is our sub headline, and then what I'm gonna do is add a padding to the top. Maybe 23 is enough, And we're also gonna add 23 for the space between the button and the subheadline. So that's 20, 23. Okay. And then I'm gonna change the color of the button. So let's get the color here, copy, go back to builder, and then click on the greens and change the color. Add a custom one, paste the hex code, and add the color. So for our text, let's add, for our text, this one, download your free ebook now. So let's scroll down and here change the text, paste there, and then what I'm going to okay, I can change the color of the other text just like what I did in here. So maybe could just make it all white. Okay. And then let's add margin top. This one is for the quick testimonial, a short social proof. And then paste, and then let's make this white. Okay. Okay, maybe for this one I've already added the a testimonial, so let's add a picture here. Let's go to ebook 1. This one is a social proof, so get link, go back, and then paste. Then what we have to do is change the size, 200 or maybe 150 and 150. Okay, and then I'd like this to be Montserrat. Typography, custom font, default Montserrat. Okay, so there it is. And then I'm going to add the cover. This one is the ebook. And then go back to your builder, paste it under image. Okay, so maybe we could add, make sure this is 300. So 300, or let's say 350. So I think that's the perfect size for the hero part. Okay, maybe we could still reduce the spacing here, margin top. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so our next step will be creating another section, which will be this one. Okay, let's create another section, add full width, and then I'm going to add an image background first. Ebook funnel, and I think this is the one. Go back and then paste it here. So now you have it. Make sure that it's full center. Okay, go back to my layout. It's again another 2 columns for the text and the image. So let's okay, let's add the next row full width, so that add image here, funnel 100 ebook. So let's add the other background, add. and then paste it here. Okay, so we'll center. Okay, so these are two sections. So what I'm going to add here are two columns. Okay, so in this two columns, this one should be an image. This one should be a paragraph text. Okay, now I'm going to change this and go to image 100 ebook, and then get our subject image. Go back and then paste. So if I would like this to overlap in this line, all I need to do is go to my margin top and then -100. So as you can see, it overlaps. So I'm not sure. Let's say -100. So there's an overlap here. And then what we can add now is the in the layout, this one. Copy and then go to your page builder and paste. Make this color white and then align left. Okay, so on the layout I made this bold, so bold text would be pink, and then their other parts are white. Okay, that's correct. And then we're gonna change the font style. Custom font, default, fonts are up. There. So as of now we're using 14. Maybe we could use 17. Okay, so now we're done in this section. Let's go to the funnel layout. Next will be the next section. So let's memorize it again. Headline, subheadline, then under here are two columns, image, and then here. So let's start building that in Builder. Okay, so add the row first. Add one column, and then below add two columns. Okay, here I will add a headline and then a subheadline. Okay, here. So make this white. Oh, it's bold, so it's white. And then make this white as well. Okay, so let's copy here, or copy, and then go to your page builder, paste the copy, and then next is our subheadline. Okay, paste. Okay, the free ebook should be bold, and then make the bold text in pink color. There. And then I think I would like this to be 3. And then there. So it's it has more spaces. So here I would enter. There. I think that's okay. And then let's add image here. There, image. And then I think we have one headline, and then the rest are in paragraph. Okay, so let's make this white. Then this white. Okay, and align left, align left. Okay, so let's copy our text here. Copy, go to builder, and paste. No, I think I copied the new. Okay, let's Control C, Control V. Okay. Then I'm going to resize it. It's too big. So there. And then here I will add the features. Copy, paste. So in order for me to have a icon, I'll just go to the icon section here. So you can choose a check mark. Let's search for a check mark. This one. And then let's make sure the color of the icon is pink. There. And then I'm going to change the font style to Montserrat. Spot there, and I would like to enter and just there, and maybe I think 17. Okay, so the next thing that I will do is just copy this one, duplicate, duplicate, and then since we have 4, I will just add maybe a padding top of 15. So padding top 15, and this one another 15. Okay, so I'm just gonna add spaces here. There. So there you go. And then we can just add the image here. Add image. Go to my ebook funnel folder. I think this is the one. Get that link, go back, and then paste. Okay. So let's make this bold and in pink color. There you go. So you can just adjust the spacing until you're satisfied with the aesthetic of your design. So let's add another full width for, I think this is the last, yeah, this is the last section. So let's add, I added a full width, add this one with the ebooks. Get link, go back, and this is the one that I would like to use. Then full center. And then let's add 2 columns. I think that's correct. We can use that for the headline. And then let's add another 2 columns. Okay, so let's add the text here. Copy, then go to builder, add headline, then paste. Then make this white. Color white. Okay, there. And then here, I think this should be two columns, but I think I added the wrong one. So let's add two columns below. So in this column, let's add a form. So this is where they could opt in. This form. Add the form, and maybe we could just select the first name and email only. So as of now, I don't have a way to customize my forms that's available here. But when you upgrade your subscription to Go-High-Level, you will have a way to customize your form. Okay. So let's I will not add anything here because it's already in the background. I created the asset that way, so I don't have to put another image here, and I think it's well put and it's fine. So we still have anything on the layout? I think we're done. So here is the layout of our ebook funnel. So if I'm going to preview that, let's go to preview. Now we have a working funnel here. And then people could just put their name, email, and then submit. Once they submit, they will receive an email on this one, and we can add a pop-up to this. So pop-up, and then add a form. Then we could just use the same one. So if they click on here, there will be a pop-up opt-in to get and download the ebook. So that's it, guys. You can just adjust the layout accordingly when you're building them. But for this tutorial, I think you already have an overview of how you can transfer your Canva layout to Go-High-Level. So stick out to more videos like this, because I will be creating different types of funnel. Maybe I will also try a different builder so that we can test the flexibility of our layout if they can be built into different builders. So as of now, I hope that this tutorial helps you in creating your ebook funnel.